welcome to Strange Wonders. So in today's video I'm going to explain how to play Scrabble. Okay, so first let us unbox it. 2 to 4 players can play this game and age is +10. So, in Scrabble, players earn points by constructing words with using the letters and placing them on the grid. So now let us open this. One game board and 100 letter tiles and 4 tile racks and 1 tile bag. So on this tile bag we have the name Scrabble. So in this booklet we have how to play, how to set up the game, the rules of the game, everything we have in this booklet. So now let us see how to play the game. So in this 100 letter tiles, we have different point values. So if you have observed here, we have B as 3 and U as 1, E as 1, H as 4 and so on. So for the letters Z and Q, we have 10 as the point value. And for these blank tiles, we have 0 as the point value. So now let us see how to play Scrabble. So let us shift these 100 letter tiles into the tile bag. Okay. So now let us shift in the tile bag. After, each player removes one tile out of the tile bag. So the player that gets the letter closest to A goes first. Now each player then draws 7 tiles from their tile bag and place it on tile rack so that the other player cannot see their tile. So the first player begins the game by placing the word on the star square at the center of the board, either horizontally or vertically. So this star acts as a double word score. Okay, so now let us place the word. So I am taking the word run. Now, as I have taken the word run, I have used my 3 tiles. So, again from the bag, I'll draw 3 tiles so that again I'll have 7 tiles on my tile rack. So now, the opposite player forms another word connecting to the word which I have formed. Like this. So I have kept a word run, and from the word R, the opposite player formed rod. So any word which we formed on the board should be meaningful and should be in any dictionary. Okay? So we should tally each word score by adding the point values for each letter in the word. So we can use a pen or a paper to keep track of the word scores for each player. Okay. So some squares on the board allow you to multiply the tiles value by 2 or 3. Okay. So we have double letter, triple letter, double word and triple word. So in the double letter we'll double the letter placed on it. In the triple letter we'll triple the letter placed on it. So in the double word we'll double the whole word which is placed. And in the triple word we'll triple the whole word. Okay? So continue playing in a clockwise direction around the board. During each turn, a player can decide to place a word on the board or exchange tiles or pass. So players can replace any number of their tiles with an equivalent number from the tile bag. If they choose this option, they cannot do anything else in their turn. So after placing the word on the board, draw an equivalent number of new tiles from the tile bag so that each player always has 7 tiles. All letters played must touch at least one letter that is already on the board to form at least one complete word. When one player has used all of their tiles or no one can make any more words, the game ends. If a player uses all the 7 cards of their tiles in one turn, they get a 50 points bonus. So consult a dictionary only if you are challenging another person's word. If the word isn't in the dictionary, the player loses their turn. Calculate each player's final score by adding up the points from all of their word scores and then subtract the sum of their unplayed letters. If one player has used all of their letters, add the sum of everyone's unplayed letters to their score. The players with the highest score wins. Now I'll play and show you, okay? E. So as I have got the letter closest to A, I'm the first one who is gonna play. So now I'm taking 7 tiles from the tile bag. So here A I have placed near the star. So star means double word score. So we should double the word score, okay? So 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Now I'm drawing tiles from the tile bag so that I'll get again 7 tiles. Triple letter. So if we'll triple 1, we'll get 3 as the answer. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is your score. So word right. So we have here double letter, and again I want more double letter. So your score is 8. So I'm replacing my tiles with the new one. Of any letter tile, we can place blank tile. So we have a blank tile only 2. Okay, so you have kept the word load, and here you have double word, so you will get the points double for your word. Okay. We have double letter, so if we'll double 1, we'll get 2, so 1 2 1 2. So like this, we will play Scrabble game. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.